Y'all, it's officially the 2010s. Look what I finally got. We're back in that indie sleaze era for all that grungy, the new age grunge in the 2010s. I am so excited. This is what I've been telling y'all about. This was a pre-order that took, dang, 3 or 4 months. I got it in May. So, trying to think. Yeah, somewhere around there, I think. But anyway, I've been waiting on it. I was one of the first people to get sent the link for these. And now we're about to open it up together. Let's see. I need scissors. Hold on, y'all. I am so excited for these. I can't believe I have them in my hands. As you can see, it says... Is it in focus? It's the Hellraisers. These were popular back in the day. Same with the, what were they, Lolitas or something? And the, what were the, they had heels that were popular for girls too, like the ones that was, it didn't have a heel. I'll put a picture in. But here we go. Okay. Let's see what they look like. What's that say? Bio armor melted proof piece. Cool. Okay. Oh good, they come in a dust bag, y'all. I'm glad. I can't remember if the last ones did or not. Mine fell apart because I wore them so much. But alright. I'm so excited. Holy crap. Just look. Alright. Moment of truth. Look at that. Hold on. I can't believe they brought these back. I was just thinking about these before they even posted about bringing these back. Because I guess the 2010 style was coming back since the Y2K style's done. Oh, the inside looks a little bit different, like their stamp. That's cool. Just look. That is so cool. Oh man, I can't believe I have them. I forgot how sharp the spikes are. Holy crap, it's been a minute. Oh yeah, that's right, they're tight. Since they're made of lambskin, you have to really... Wait, I gotta make sure this is the right size, please. Yeah, it's a 10. Yeah, come on. I feel like Cinderella, the evil stepsister's trying to force my foot into like this. There we go. Damn, they really are tight. Wow. I do remember real leather things do eventually stretch out. They're just a little tight and they were shitty getting on. But look at that. Oh my gosh. You could wear these with like skinnies, like a black pair of skinnies, flare jeans, anything really. I used to wear these just every day because they're so comfortable.